Pat had become a golfer. She loved the game and getting outside on a regular basis. We played every Saturday and Sunday, even in the winter. We had taken several trips to places just to play golf. I had spent a lot of time in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina over the years. Pat loved to go there and play. We both loved getting a beachfront hotel room just to hear the ocean and enjoy the view. We had not had a break since moving into the house, and I casually mentioned we hadn't been to Myrtle Beach in a while. She liked the idea and agreed we should talk about doing it. It was still a little cold to be thinking of golf, but neither of us wanted to go to a casino. So the idea sat on the shelf, requiring more consideration later. Several weeks had gone by since mentioning going out of town for a break. One Sunday, we were getting ready for our usual round of golf. I normally get the clubs and shoes in the car and pack the cooler. Pat would be dressing for the day and checking if I forgot anything. Golf is weird. I'm like a puppy going for a ride, except my tongue doesn't hang out the window. If you mention golf, I'm already on the first tee cussing some slowpoke out. I just can't wait to be there and put the tee in the ground, knowing I'm about to make sweet contact with the ball. I am sorry that I infected Pat with this disorder, because we are like two poodles going for a walk when it comes to golf. This day was different because Pat was a little distracted. She would do something and then ask if she did it. Usually it's something like the bathroom light. Did I turn out that light? She came out and got in the car but forgot her purse. I went in and got it and checked the bathroom light. When I came out, she thanked me and I told her I checked the light. We laughed and then she said, "I like that idea." "What idea, honey?" "Myrtle Beach. I'd like to go there." "Okay, we'll check reservations when we get back from golf." No, I would like to get married there." I was stunned into silence. I quickly and quietly said, "Would you marry me on the beach at sunset?" "Yes." We hugged the awkward car hug and started laughing as we drove off. She said yes.